Today we're going to talk about Infoblox and Tines Workbench together. Now this time we're actually going to take data from Infoblox NIOS via searching for it via an extensible attribute and move it to the new Infoblox UDDI platform. I'm going to showcase how simple this is to do and then talk about the future of automation with Tines. So in today's demo, I'm going to show you how you can quickly search Infoblox NIOS based on an extensible attribute, network containers, networks, and ranges. And then we'll take that information and create them into Infoblox UDDI, all automated with Tines Workbench. So first, let's go ahead and search. So basically typed out search Infoblox NIOS here. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and search the Infoblox NIOS and then bring back the results. And if you want to, we can click in here and you can see it's doing the network container, passing in the extensible attributes. Then it's going to go ahead and do the network. Then it's going to go ahead and do the range. So as you can see here, it brings back the network containers, the networks, and the DHCP range. Now this is the power of this platform. I'm actually going to go ahead and paste in my copy that I have here. Right here I'm going to tell it to, for each network container, networks, let's go ahead and create them. I created a space in our UDDI platform called Ireland and adding a tag named Site1 into it. So while that's loading, I'm going to drop into another browser over here and take a look at it. So now it's getting Infoblox IP space. Then it's going through that information. While that's happening, I'm going to authenticate on my other screen here. And let's go ahead and create the address block. I'm going to pop over here and show you guys that it just created that address block here. Notice there's nothing else in it right now, but let's continue. And as we continue here, it's going to continue to build out everything that I ask it for. So now it's going to go through the subnets, because that's how the order is built. First it's an IP space. If you don't have one, it would create one. Then it would go ahead and add the address blocks, then the subnets, and then the range. So it's adding each one of the range that it found. So let's take a quick peek under the hood here. So it's telling you that it's a CIDR 16. Here's the address. Here's the name it's giving it. And then it's going to continue to process here for the last subnet. Confirm. And while that's doing its thing, I'm going to refresh this so we can take a quick look and see it's building out here real time in the platform. And when that's just completed, let's go ahead and create the range. Now we go inside of this and we go into the 60. Here are the additional networks underneath that. And I'm going to refresh. Actually, I have to go into this guy. It's a range within here. My apologies. But now you can see here's that range. So as you can see, it took all the networks from Infoblox and created it into Infoblox UDDI. So that's how you get this thing to working really quick. So that's automation in a nutshell. The next step of this is to just front end it with a web page and automatically do that for you. That's coming soon.